Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to sign up for ChatGPT if not available in your country. So, you have something to do and you have to use ChatGPT, but you belong or you are in a country where ChatGPT is not available. I am going to show you now and explain to you now are the ways and why are you not allowed to enter ChatGPT, and what are the countries where ChatGPT is not allowed, and this one way for you to use ChatGPT. So first, let's see the countries where ChatGPT is not allowed. So here are the countries where ChatGPT is currently banned. So these countries include Russia, China, North Korea, Cuba, Iran, Syria, and Italy. So, if you are from these countries, what you have to do is to download a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So, what are the apps that are the best for PC or the best VPNs? So, here are the 7 best VPNs for PC in 2023. First is the ExpressVPN. So it has a total score of 9.9 over 10. You can visit their site. And next is the CyberGhost with a total score of 9.7. Next is Private Internet Access. Next is IPVanish or VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, and Private VPN. So these are just examples of VPN you can use. So when you already have your VPN, your IP address will automatically be in that certain country that you are using. It could be Netherlands, in USA, or in any other countries that are not included in this list. So after doing that, what we have to do is to completely sign up in ChatGPT using a phone number or an email. And that's just it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.